morning. We're off on another Sunday morning hike and we're in Stockton on Teme, which is a village in the northwest of Worcestershire in the Midlands. We parked by an old water mill and we've just started the walk now. Apparently there's about 327 residents in Stockton on Teme, not many. We're having it very mild for this time of year in January. It's normally a lot colder than this. We have a bit of blue sky on the horizon. These sheep aren't impressed. All they want is food. That's the church we've just walked from, Stockton Church. And then, I don't know if you can see, just over the ridge there is the Malvern Hills. And that's where we were New Year's Eve. And we come across some strange things when we go on our travels. This is bizarre. Not open today. This is an old Robin Reliant, three-wheeler. Or was a three-wheeler. There's his mate. Wow, you do come across some strange things when you go hiking. Haven't seen anything like that for a while. What were you saying about the Land Rover?
So my dad used to have a Land Rover like that, and he referred to it as a short wheelbase Land Rover. And then we had a Land Rover like that. There was a soft top, but that's a hard top. And then we had long wheelbase Land Rovers. We had lots of Land Rovers.
Lots and lots.
Could have been that one for all I know.
Incredible. Remnants of autumn. Well, if you didn't know better, I think it's raining on the Malverns, don't you?
Yeah. It's probably going to rain here soon too.
Oh no. Better get a move on. Heading back to the car now. We've done the loop around Stockton on Teme. A nice walk. Could have done with a bit more sunshine, but we got to fly the drone. See you next time.